And made it to Boracay. The mall. They even have McDonald's here. It's now about 7:30. As you can see, streets are quite busy. And of course, everybody's standing, nobody moving. Havoc on the streets of Boracay. There you go, the main walking street here in the mall. How you guys? More of Boracay tomorrow when we'll go to the beach. I'll show you more of the mall. Well, that's it for today. So we are at the mall. This is station 2, and these are the shops, like restaurants around it. I don't know what is this hotel. What does it say there? Feliz Hotel. So this is the Feliz Hotel, and there you have souvenir shops and the local tourists. And the other tourists are mostly Korean. And now, since it's kind of morning, we are looking for Heidiland shop. Why? I need some breakfast, and they have some nice European bread there, like chapati, with some pepperoni salami. So I'll make myself a pastrami sandwich. Now, if I remember it correctly, it should be somewhere behind this circle. And found it, Highland Deli. I think this is the entry, so let's check inside what they have to offer at Highland Deli. As you can see, we have many cold cut salamis, cheeses, and other delicacies from every corner of Europe: Spain, France, Italy, Germany, and also different sausages and other products that are usually very difficult to find in the Philippines. There we go, my favorite bread, like ciabatta or French loaf. So we'll take that one, 140 something. What's that? Some spices. Yeah. And this sounds like egg white, not candies, but how they call it, cookies. The cookies, and more cookies. Panettone, the Italian sweet bread, and of course Italian barilla pasta barilla. And there is honey and compote, how they call it. It says compote. And of course we have different jams, marmalades, compote, and yeah, different kind of nuts. If you're getting nuts, we got nuts for you. Yeah. Dates. What is this? This is pate. Maybe we'll take one of these sandwich cream, they call it. It's pate with pistachios. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.